Atta Anaya. Atta Anaya. I know you're gon' like it. I know you're gon' like it. I'm stepping up. Atta Anaya. I'm stepping up. Atta Anaya. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is grab one of your white bowls. First thing is jerk chicken.
We're like really cooking this.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What I'm going to add to your chicken is my little secret. And also spring onion, alright?
Alright.
Oh wow. That looks so This is my secret stuff that I mix.
Ooh, thank you.
What's in it?
Before you leave, you get that.
Really?
Yeah.
Your secrets?
Are those onions?
Yes. Secret. Massage your seasoning all over your meat. Now, when doing jerk chicken, we can season it like this. Put it in our freezer to marinate up to 2 months.
Oh.
Freezer, not the fridge. Okay?
But
who wants to wait for 2 months? You
Exactly.
season your meat, you just want to get that cook or jerk and you eat that. I don't wait for 2 months. The most I would season my meat for is 48 hours. That's the most. I can wait.
that's too long.
So who grills back home? So we use the grill to smoke our chicken. And what we use in our jerk pan is pimento wood. Pimento is Jamaica's allspice. When you crush a pimento, you get a smell of cinnamon, clove, peppermint, and also ginger. Alright? But when doing the darker part of the meat, we will just spread the leaves of the pimento on the grill. Then we place the chicken on top of that. It gives it a nice smoke. Alright? So what we're going to do now is the callaloo. As what I told you before, similar to collard greens or spinach, okay? Cover back these for a moment. Okay. Place your bowl here. Yeah, man, sure. Right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your callaloo.
Oh, I never seen it.
And how you were eating.
You know, callaloo is grown on the island. So what farmers would do is cut them, grow them up to 3 weeks, cut them, wash them in salt water, put it in bag, sell it to the supermarkets. Alright? So 1 bag of callaloo would cost like $1 in US. Alright? Now what we're going to do with our callaloo is clean the main stalk of it. So example. Now you're going to cut a small piece of the tip of the stalk, then you peel, go down. Okay. So we're taking off most of these thin membranes off the main stalk of the callaloo. So you do that going all the way down, right around the main stalk only. Now for the leaves, don't remove them, okay? You're going to use your knife, slice underneath them, and peel, go down. So you continue going down that way, peeling, going all the way around.
Certified quality. And that the girl them need and I cry for every day without apology. But them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beyonce.